Ensuring the roads across Stoke-on-Trent are in brilliant condition does cost money every year, and we're always looking at more efficient and effective ways of doing that moving forward to ensure that we can keep the road network in the condition that our residents and local businesses expect it to be in.
So currently we go out at a two-man gang in a 7.5 tonner. We'll go out with a still saw and cut the edges, and then large areas we'll use a breaker to break up the surface, and then obviously put that into a wheelbarrow and then lift that into our 7.5 tonner as the spoil. By the time our lads are cut, prep the area and then tarmacked it and overbanded, it works out about an hour, depending on just the bog standard pothole size. Where we are reckoning with this machine, it's around about 8 minutes to get it out, and obviously a re-tarmac area, so huge benefits for ourselves. Most of the potholes by the time we get to it are around 600-700 mil, so say one cut and one sweep, it allows us to speed up our processes. Our lads can stay in the cab and the machine will do all the work for them, be working in a live carriageway. It reduces all your health and safety risks, all your halves, say all the backbreaking stuff, and say our lads will then just come and tarmac, so they're on site for less, and obviously speeds them up as well, and you've got no health and safety risk. Cropping tool, especially around manholes or up to curbs or tidying up pothole edges, would have been traditionally done with a breaker, and if anybody's used a breaker for 5 minutes, it's not the pleasant task. So you say all the machine is doing all the work for you, all the halves, all the white finger, that's machine's doing it all, and obviously makes a nice neat tidy pothole for our lads to just top. With the bucket, when you open it up and then use it more like a dig end, and then remove all the spoil and put it on the back of a wagon, and then the sweeper does sweep the area up nice and tidy and gives that clean finish where lads would have had to use a brush and water. It speeded us up no end, because that's another part of the back braking, putting the tarmac on the back of the truck. We've got potholes and then larger patches, so with this machine it would have took us 2-3 days to have say 70 square metres out. We're getting that out before breakfast, and then our lads are topping it just after breakfast, so it's taking us half a day instead of that being 2 to 3 days. And I say we can go onto emergency large patches, smaller patches. Possibilities are endless for send this machine and just go do one pass approach.
We think this is a fantastic tool that will help to drastically improve the condition of the roads in Stoke-on-Trent by getting those irritating potholes and patchworks done even faster to keep our city moving at such a crucial time for residents and businesses. We wouldn't think twice about partnering with JCB, an innovative, world-beating company right from the heart of the UK. We're proud to be associated with JCB.